Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a iPhone XS Max unboxing. Yeah, I know, what a complicated name to give a new phone. But this is kind of like an unboxing slash 2 weeks review. I currently have an iPhone 6 and I've had the iPhone XS Max for 2 weeks now. So I'm just gonna like basically show you guys what's in the phone, like the difference, like what was new, what was not new, and also just some issues that I personally have with Apple. Like me and Apple have like a huge love-hate relationship. So like I'm just gonna like go into depth about that as well. So just to talk about it, here is the phone. Like I said, I've been using it for 2 weeks. Well, this is the box that it came in, and this little wrapper was around it. I got my phone from Apple. So I didn't get it from like my network providers. So this is the box. It is so nice. I got the 64 gig. I got it in rose gold. Inside the box came with like these little stickers, these little Apple stickers. It came with just more, you know, just the regular schmegular stuff that. Oh my god, I did not even notice this. Wow. Sorry guys. So I didn't notice that this little thing came with the phone, and this little thing is like basically to like poke the phone, like the corner, to get the SIM card out. That's pretty neat because I like always need this whenever like I have to pull out a phone, like pull out the SIM card on the phone. I just take off my earring and I use my earring instead of using something like this. Like this is just so much more convenient. It comes with this paper, and the paper actually tells you like it's for the SIM card remover. Comes with more instruction paper. It comes like with this hello thing with, I don't know, I guess this is like more instructions telling you like where the home button is, where the play button, because like everything just changed completely. Like the buttons, except for like the volume button, is not where like they are anymore. So like this just tells you like the really basic, and I'm actually gonna read this because the whole 2 weeks I've had this, I haven't looked at it, and I just have been figuring things out on my own. So I'm definitely gonna take a look at this once I'm done with this video. And then it comes with, of course, headphone, which I've already undone, but I haven't used it. So it comes like with this little thing where the headphone comes in, and this is the headphone. And guys, let me tell you something. This is why I say I have a love-hate relationship with Apple. So I bought my phone brand new. This one is supposed to be brand spanking new. Tell me why. Oh my god, I'm so disgusted because I'm looking at the phone right now. Tell me why my headphone has been used. And not only, like, you can just visually tell it's been used. Like, the headphone looks blue. Like, this part of it like has like stuff all in between it, like little dark stuff in it. The headphone itself, I don't know if you guys can see this. I just hope you can see this. This has stuff inside of it. I don't know if you can see it, but it has stuff inside of it. Like, I'm so pissed. Like, it has whoever ear stuff inside of it that bought the phone and returned it or whatever inside of it. So on Monday, and I just noticed this today. Like I said, I have not used this headphone. So like, I'm just like, wow. So I just noticed this today because I was like, oh, you know, I'm going to do the unboxing video today. And that's when I noticed that. So I'm definitely taking this back to Apple, and I'm getting a new headset. And back to the headset thing, like, I don't understand why, like, you know, after all these years and all the money people spend on Apple, like, Apple don't see the need to, like, you know, like, what is it, like, you know, thank their customers. Like, first of all, why am I paying $1,100 for a phone when the things that come with the phone does not come with the phone, such as like, so last year my godmom got the iPhone 8 Plus, I believe, like whatever the phone is with like this little chip pod that the iPhone Max has. And when she got hers, it came with the little cable jack that goes to your car if you don't have like a Bluetooth car. It's like my car, I still have a car that needs actual like auxiliary cord. So now I can't use that feature on my phone. So I have to go out and buy that extra piece. But I just paid $1,000 for a phone, and not only that, I get a headphone that's already used. So that's what I mean when I say I have a love-hate relationship with Apple. Like, why didn't the little piece that comes with, like, that's been coming with the phones in the past, why didn't it come with the new phones? Like, that's just That's just crazy. I don't understand why I paid $1,000 for a phone, but I don't get wireless headphone to go with the phone, because this phone obviously is made for wireless headphone because it doesn't have the speaker jack on it. But that's for Apple to figure out. Like, they really need to figure that out, because I just think it's so unfair to the customers that they, you know, that they charge us all this money, and then we have to go out and buy little pieces and little things to go with the phone that we're already paying $1,000 for. Like, that's so unfair. Like, Android doesn't do that. So I just wanted to get that out there. Like, that's why I don't like, I'm really like, if it wasn't for the fact that I like really like Apple, I legit would get another phone, because I just feel like Apple is kind of like stingy. Like, why are you guys being stingy with little stuff like that? But yeah, so back to the phone. So that's all that came in the box, was the charger and the headset, and then the little instructions, and that was it. Nothing else came with the phone. So here's the phone. Like I said, I've been using it for 2 weeks, so it's not like, you know, brand new, but it's brand new, like, you know. But this is the phone. I'm gonna take off my case so you guys can like actually see what the phone looks like without the case. I just have a clear case on it because, you know, just, so this is the phone. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I freaking love it. This is the front. I still have the screensaver on it that they had from when I bought it. So that's the front, and this is my hand against the phone. The phone is massive, guys. It really is pretty big. Like I said, I went from the 6 to the X Max, and this is the difference. Like, there's a huge difference. Like, very huge difference. So yeah, it's a whole lot different. On the Max, you know, we don't have the home button anymore. You have 2 cameras in the back and the front, and like, it's awesome. So you know, apart from the fact that Apple decided to, you know, not give me my little head jack, because I was looking forward to that. Like, on the first day of getting my phone, I was like, oh, I'm about to play my music and it's about to be lit. And I go in the box to like double check to get the little piece that comes with the phone, that always came with the phone, and it wasn't there. But so for me, I will rate this phone a 10. Like, love the phone. Like, so far from using it, I love it. It's just so easy to use. I love the Face ID thing, because like putting in your PIN code, that's cool and all, but the Face ID is so much fun, because literally once you place the phone up, it just unlocks from your face. The speakers are crazy. Like, bro, I'm not a tech genius or anything like that. I'm not trying to be a tech genius, but let me tell you, sis, this speaker on this phone is freaking lit. Let me play music for you so you can see. Speakers are lit. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me. The speaker is super duper loud. Another thing that I noticed that was like drastically different was the charger, the battery life. I'm the type of person where like when a new phone comes out, like I'm not gonna go crazy over it. Like that's why I ended up having my 6 for so long, is because like I'm not gonna go out and keep buying a $800, $900, $1,000 phone every single year. So when I got my 6 like 3-4 years ago, I made up my mind that I was gonna keep my phone until literally it does not run anymore. And as you can see, my 6 is in perfect mint condition. Like, I take care of my stuff. This one is in perfect condition. Nothing is wrong with it. I just thought it was time for an upgrade. Like, this phone, we're about to go on a long haul. I'm gonna keep this phone for a long time. But one thing, like I said, one thing that I noticed drastic change was the battery. The battery life on this phone is insane. Like, usually with my 6, I have to charge it, like, I would say, like, I charge it when I go to sleep. So when I wake up in the morning, I'm at 100. I take it to work. I play with my phone at work. And like right before I get off work, like around 3 o'clock, I have to charge my phone again. And then, I charge it completely. And then by the time I get home at night, it's already back down to like 30%. And I have to charge it again. So typically charge my phone like 2 to 3 times a day. With this phone, I think on the first day I charged it completely full, and I used the battery that whole day at work. Came back to work the next day and used it the whole day at work again, and I had to charge it when I came back home that evening. So this phone battery lasts. Like, if you don't like, and I like my phone, as you can see, on bright, like not the brightest level, but I like it pretty bright. So like for that, like it basically lasted me like over 24 hours, and that's never happened. So like the battery life on this is insane. What else is so fast? Like everything is just so fast. Like it's just fast. It's faster. Everything is better. The screen resolution is better. The camera, bruh. The camera on this phone is crazy. And we have portrait mode on this phone. And I know everybody has been talking about portrait mode and just all the things that like the 7, the 8, and the 10 had, that my little 6 didn't have. Now I have it all in one, and all I had to do was buy one phone. So I'm super excited. And plus I wanted a bigger phone. At first I was very skeptical about this. Like it took me a while to get used to. At first I thought it was just like way too big, going from a 6 to an X Max, X Plus, whatever, XX Max. I thought like, oh my god, it was so too big. But like after 2 weeks, like I'm completely used to my phone. I love it. I love the size. I love everything about it. Another thing, like the reason why, well, this is not the reason why I bought this phone, but like, you know, when I go to Nigeria, I currently have a Canon T6i, and I wanted to like vlog a lot because I'm going to be going to Nigeria, and I'm going to be going to Egypt, and you know, I wanted to vlog while I was in these countries. And like nobody really wants to carry a big camera with them overseas, unless like this is like really what you do for a living. But like vlogging is just something I like to do for fun, so I don't want to like take my whole camera with me, you know, just to vlog. And I feel like the camera on my phone is just as good to vlog with, and then I can use this for like sitting at home things, so that way I don't have to worry about damaging my camera as well, because I invest a lot of money in my camera, and I use my camera for my business and a lot of stuff. So I don't want to just, you know, jeopardize my camera because I want to vlog. So my phone would be perfect, you know, and it's compatible. But yes, that's that. The color on it is very nice. I love this rose gold color. Like it's not like super gold. Like it's not the typical rose gold. Like my watch currently, this is rose gold. My watch is rose gold, and this is the color of the phone. So like I prefer the color of the phone over the color of my watch. Like I like this color of rose gold. But yes guys, so that is it for my unboxing videos. Let me know down below if you have any questions regarding this phone. Like I said, this is just my thoughts on the phone. I think it's an excellent phone. I do think Apple needs to add more stuff to their packages when they give you these phones, because like it's just so unfair to us to pay $1,000 for a phone and all we get is a freaking phone and a charger. Like, who does that? And for my headphone thing, I'll let you guys know down below in the comment once I go back to Apple. I'm gonna make them give me a brand new headset, because that is disgusting. The people who work for Apple, they should have, if this was a phone that was returned or a headphone that was returned, I really don't know what the case is. But if that's the case, if my phone was like one of the phones that were returned and brought back between the, you know, the return space, because I was gonna return my phone, like, because I was like, oh, if I don't get used to my phone, I'm gonna return it. So like if that was the case, like I was gonna return it and get like the iPhone XX, not the Max but the XX. So like I was like, you know, this is one of the phones where like somebody bought it and they felt like it was too, it wasn't, you know, it was too big or whatever, and they returned it and brought back the headphone, and Apple didn't do their due diligence to check the phone and check everything to make sure everything was clean, then that is pretty sad. Like that is trash, Apple. Like really trash. But Apple is still like one of my favorite brands when it comes to phones, so I forgive them this time. I do, just this time. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys on my next video.